Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, will I ever get better at quieting my mind? Yes, with consistent practice, managing a busy mind becomes easier. Even experienced meditators face distractions, but have learned to accept them without judgment. Focus on the practice rather than the outcome, as meditation is a skill that develops over time. Consistency being very important here. Much like with anything in life, the more you do something, the better you become at it, potentially. We all have busy minds or busy enough minds, and it takes some time to get them to settle down. And I found meditation very helpful for achieving that goal. I would say I do have some experience, but I know people with decades more experience than I have. And I still face distractions. And my mind can be noisier in some meditation sessions than others. They all have their moments of calm, but some definitely are more noisy or distracting than others. But as I mentioned, accepting that this is a part of the practice. If you sit down and have a really good meditation session, it does not mean that your next one will be that way. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and observe the breath. Focusing on the breath, I've found, has been very helpful in meditation and outside of meditation. Something that can be done anywhere, most anytime, unless you're underwater or something like that. Where if your mind is going places you'd rather it didn't, or you need it to go a particular place at a particular time, anchoring on the breath will allow you to focus your mind pretty much anywhere you would like to focus it. And now let's deepen the breath. And let's follow the breath as we take it into the esophagus, into the upper lungs and the chest, and down into the lower lobes of the lungs, down into the abdomen region. Observing this area expanding as we inhale and contracting as we exhale, following the flow of air back up through the esophagus, back to the tips of the nostrils. Focusing on the practice of meditation rather than achieving the goal of meditation is the work that is necessary here. As best as you can manage day in and day out, the more consistent you are, the faster the results will be achieved. As I mentioned, meditation is a skill. Like with many skills, they take time to develop. You don't start doing complicated tasks your first day starting anything. You start with the basics and we work our way up. Now bring your awareness back to the breath at the tips of the nostrils. And now we'll bring our awareness to the legs. Relax the legs. Relax the pelvis. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the forehead. Namaste.